Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about how to put on one of these. I'll remove it and we'll put it back on. First things first, I'm going to grab this, and grab this, and I'm going to grab the bit, put it on, like so, okay, see, and that, okay, grab the magnetizer. It's best to magnetize it. Okay, see, it's magnetized. Now, open here. Second. Let's go over here where I'm so we want to do. Right now, I'm removing it. Now, you want to take your belt holder, put it, there's a little groove right there, so you want to put it in, line the hole up, like that, grab your bit, make sure it's still magnetized, and put it on. And that's all you do. Really, it's easy to do, but you want to make sure it's secure. You do not want it to fall off when you have it when you're working on your car or anything. Oh, there's my hole. So, yeah, I can do a video on how to organize a toolbox, or maybe later put my stuff on, hatchet. Okay, that's about it for how to put on a belt holder for. Okay, so yeah. Thank you. And like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.